Hi everyone, I buy new heater Dreo. It's for me very good design, very good, nice, light, very light. Have a remote. What is this? Have a remote like this. Sorry, like this. Maybe light. Maybe a little bit. Have a remote, Dreo. I'm connected. Ampere watt checker. I would like look how many watts real, but because Dreo say very economy and blah blah blah. Everybody say blah blah blah. Very good. But for example, first negative in this nice heater. It's a heater don't have in back side any dust filter, because negative, it's a strong negative, because when you use not one moment, I used every time so many dust coming, and dust it's a fire danger. When I have a dust filter, you easy clean and do not fire. This is safety. This Dreo, it's a big negative. No, is not safety for life. Number one. Second, this is Dreo has this heater has a couple different options, nice options. We can turn on, we can look. When Dreo start, automatically remember last option. This is very good. Look, this is nice. Sound very low. And look now. No, sorry. I'm turn off and show you this one. Now I'm turn it like this. Turn it off and show you this is display. Not another one. Like this. Now I put display. Dreo has a timer, it's very good. When turn off it's cooling, this is good option. After that turn off. This is power connector, it's good. It's turn off now. Now we again look now this one. In bottom, it's a watt. How many watt? Many watt. How many watt? We are turn on again. Start. This is H1 option. H1. It's a 500 watt, 600, 700 watt. It's a very low heat now. 800 watt. But Dreo in the instruction 750 H1. This is 800 something. It's lie. Look, now it's go down a little bit, maybe per start. Okay, and and this is Dreo. This is H1. Again back to this one, and I have this tool. This tool, it's a show me temperature. Okay, I'm turn on. Tool is on. Tool is on. On the floor 74 Fahrenheit. We are check now on the Dreo. Red over there 185. Again 43. Again hit 164. Okay. I'm change options for the next level. Now it's H1. We are change for H2. Oh, H3 no, H2. H2. We are see how many watt. H2. It's a 908 watt. You see, barrel 914 watt. But middle it's a amp. On the top it's a volt. It's a watt. It's a watt. It's a how much company charge money. The economy or not economy. And we are check how many, what kind of temperature here. Okay, my tool again on the floor first, on 75 on the floor. Now we are put here in the middle. It's a 192 Fahrenheit coming. It's hot for the H2 position. And charge again 932 watts in H2 only. We are turn on H3. We'll press H4, sorry. H3 now. H3. We are look here. Look. 1122 watt. 1122 watt per hour. And we are check temperature now. Okay, floor now 76 because it's hot. Okay. 226 again, 207 again, 214, around 200 in H3 position, and charge 1158 watt. We are change position for H4, heat number 4. Heat number 4, it's a more pressure air, and look at now, it's a H4. Look at now, it's a 1434, almost 1500. This is one more H5. Look, charge, and we are check temperature again. My tools coming, again tools coming. Turn on, focus. This is not focus, I don't know why. Yes. Now it's focus. Not very well, but look. H3 and H4 same almost. Almost same. Minimum different. 240. 238 or before 200. A little bit different. 252. 247 coming. Okay, and we are change position H5 maximum. Now H5, and we are looking over here 1564, 1550. I'm very slow. I'm try to change back. Not now position 4. Now position 4. And power go, wattage go down slowly. Now position 3. Now 1200. We are put back position 2. 1014. 971 watt, position H2, and position H1 minimum, and then 800, 600, Almost 700. Oh, 700, it's okay. Alright, this is all-time heat. Second negative. First, I say before, it's a don't have a dust filter. Second negative. This one position, for example, have a 5 different type heat. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. But this is position don't have an option for change automatically temperature. For example, I would like H1 only for low heat, low noise, and turn on all the time same temperature coming and heat it my room it slowly and put it temperature, for example, 72 in my room. But I don't have this option. This machine don't have this option. I have an old Lasco or another brand, but old type, but don't have a eco mode, but have a that one option. That one option is better. It's best. First, you economy money. You don't have a chance for fire in your home. For example, when your home or apartment very old, you have an old power line in wall, and you don't know what kind of. And for example, you turn on this heater, you go sleep. This is turn on eco mode. Eco mode, it's crazy. I show you, and you see, and your power maximum working. When it's maximum working, all power cable overheat and have a chance melted insulation, and after that fire. This is big danger for life. Big danger. Is not every home has a good power line. This is need to understand. It's not every socket, every breaker working normally, because nobody check. And I show you now mode for the eco. Now it's H1. We are press here. This is now, you see in bottom eco mode. Put temperature more, because in room I put 78, for example. Click, start working. Look what kind of wattage now. 1900, almost 2000. Almost 2000 watts start. It's a super big danger for the home. Super big danger. Not 1500, what kind of eco write in manual. This is lie. Look, per start it's big danger. For fire, easy. Click, melt, go out. This is people very careful with eco mode. This is second negative. Eco mode has a positive. For example, now what start go down, because in room hot, eco mode go down. Yes, when it's good home, good power outage, no problem, good power line, home it's new, it's okay. But when home is not new, eco mode, it's big danger for everyone. Be careful, everyone. This is my opinion. This one, for that one, oops. That one heater, I like it because minimum noise has a positive. Very skinny and nice design. And I remind you, big minimum, big problem maybe for future, it's a fire danger. No dust cover before, no dust filter. And extremely, when started eco mode, it extremely jumping up power, you see before in my video. And probably, and don't have an option for regular for example, heater minimum heat, for example, H1 don't have an option for the put automatic temperature. Don't have. This is 3 big negative for that one type heater. And please, everyone who say good for what? Nobody check wattage, nobody check heat, nobody understand, nobody say filter. People, wake up. And Dreo, your appliance, nice. Please, reprogramming, put +1 option for the working H1, H2, H3, H5. Can do it not eco mode, separate, can put adjust temperature and automatically working. Second, eco engineering, need install filter, because filter it's a super, no filter it's a danger. Third one, please write correct wattage in mode, not 1500 maximum, no. We will see almost 2000 watt when it starts. No, it's danger, big danger. And be careful, people. That's it. Who would like this video, please up your finger. I'm not YouTuber, but I would like for more people watching. YouTube have a specific programming formula when people put up or down finger, wherever you would like, put finger up. When don't like, put finger down. When you like or don't like, write. When you would like, write review. When more review, more this, more people watching and thinking what kind of option needed. Yes, this is standard. Have an option for the timer. Have a standard for the turn. Left and right, it's good, I know, but it's working left and right. And stop, what kind of do you need it? And this one, and touch display, I like it, it's touches, but no problem. Sorry, I see, stop. And has a timer option, no problem. You can put maximum 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 hours maximum. You can install, for example, when we put 1 hour, leave it there and wait, and after that we will see here left side it's a clock coming, show you its timer start working. And that's it. You see on the display it's a I turn off because for me don't need it. Sorry. Where is I put right here. Do not, you can every time click when you would like sound for touch. I don't like this one, I turn off. You see on the display, off, on, that one. I can change when on temperature and immediately extremely change wattage. You see, minimum 1700, not 1500. Eco, a little bit lie and danger. Thank you very much. Again, up finger when like, down finger when don't like, and write review when you have something asked for me or everyone. Thank you very much. Bye.